Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. Welcome back, my subscribers, and welcome to new. I would like to tell you about a great site that I've been using for years. It's called Rakuten. They have wonderful deals, especially for early Black Friday, for Black Friday, and they will have things for Cyber Monday. But what they have now till December 7th is you spend $40 or more and you get $40 cash back. Like I said, it's till December 7th. So they got all these deals here from all these places. But you could get $40 just for what? Something you're going to spend online anyway. Most of us going to shop online. So why not take advantage of this? This is great. This is wonderful. Look at all these places. You can't beat it. Look at that. I'm going to slowly show you. Look at that. This is my favorites. Office Depot, Office Max, Walmart, Macy's, eBay, Target, Sephora. And the list goes on and on and on. Look at that. And then these places have sales. Like I said, a lot of these places have early Black Friday sales. So you can't beat it. This is wonderful. My link is below for you to get started so you can get your cash back and get savings on these great deals for early Black Friday and for Black Friday. But like I said, the cash back for $40 is up to $40. When you spend up to $40 or more, you get $40 cash back is to December 7th. So I want to let you know that. Get started and get that cash back. And I would like for you to do that. Save. That's what I'm here. I'm here to help you. What I find out, I want you to find out. And thank you. See you next time.